80 million Americans are affected by hair loss today. But luxury beauty brands don't always make products for thinning hair that offer the experiential, transformational moments we crave from great hair care. That's why Alterna, the visionary creator of luxury hair care products, formulated without harsh chemicals and additives, is proud to announce a powerful new iteration of its Caviar anti-aging clinical densifying collection. This line includes innovative, advanced formulas that enhance the performance of its shampoo, scalp treatment, and styling mousse, and brings to market a revolutionary new foam conditioner. Alterna's commitment to mindful hair care also extends to scalp care. Ancient Ayurvedic scalp massage techniques offer a luxurious client experience that are both invigorating to the scalp and calming to the senses. In this massage, clients will experience both stimulating and calming techniques by massaging pressure points on their head known as Marma Points. According to ancient Ayurveda, each Marma Point affects different aspects of the body and mind and is known to help stimulate prana, the subtle energy of the body. To get started, apply the clinical densifying foam conditioner throughout hair. This luxurious self-foaming densifying conditioner, formulated with red clover and amla Indian gooseberry, provides weightless moisture and hydration for fuller-looking hair. To help center yourself and set the mood for the massage, place your right hand on the back of the head at the occipital bone and your left hand on the forehead. Gently hold while you and the client both take a deep breath in and a slow exhale out. Begin the massage with Sthapani Marma, also known as the third eye point, just above the space between the eyebrows. Using your pointer and middle fingers, massage the point with small, circular movements. Next, move your pointer and middle fingers to the Avarta Marma, the points near the arch of each eyebrow. Massage these pressure points, moving in a circular motion. Massaging these twin pressure points helps calm the senses and relieve tension. Imagine small squares mapped throughout the scalp. On opposite sides of each square, use your thumbs to push the scalp tissue together, lifting it gently from the scalp. Repeat motion on all sides of each square. Repeat this process to cover the entire scalp. This technique is known to help increase circulation throughout the scalp. Next, move to Adhipati Marma, located just behind the top of the head. You can use two hands to find Adhipati. This is the pressure point commonly associated with controlling the nervous system. Massage the point with the middle and pointer fingers, moving in circular motions. Continue to the cement Marma point at the top of the crown of the head, just in front of the Adhipati Marma. Again, using your middle and pointer fingers, gently massage this point in a circular motion. After a few circles, you can expand the movement to incorporate all the fingertips, massaging the entire crown area in circular motions. Cement is a point where balding commonly manifests. Next, stabilize the head with one hand and massage the scalp with the four fingers of the other hand, using vigorous friction motions to cover the entire scalp. Next, move to the back of the head to Kritattika Marma. This point is found at the occipital bone, about 2 hand widths up from the base of your neck. Use the flat pads of the thumbs to gently massage this pressure point. Massaging Kritattika helps to activate and detoxify blood vessels in the scalp, supplying oxygen-rich blood. For the last step, finish the scalp massage by stimulating Vidur Marma, the points just behind the ears where the neck meets the skull. These points are known to help control mental tension. Use circular motions to massage the Viduram with your pointer fingers to end the session. Once completed, rinse the foam conditioner out of client's hair, follow with the clinical densifying scalp treatment, then styling mousse, and style as desired. Hair professionals know that Alterna transcends ordinary hair care, with healthy, sensorial rituals and clean, skincare-inspired formulas. If your clients are looking for a fuller, denser-looking head of hair built from the scalp up and a regimen that feels more revitalizing than routine, look no further than the Caviar Anti-Aging Clinical Densifying Collection.